Okay, what you see here is the brand new wool cap we just received from the manufacturer. This goes right on top of the H emblem, H wool caps for Genesis Sedan and Genesis Coupe. It comes with a protection bag, as you can see, and protection tape on top of the emblem, 3M double-sided tape. So what you see here is a 19-inch wool cap off from the Genesis Coupe. Basically the diameter, it's exactly the same for the Genesis Sedan and Genesis Coupe. Any wheels from 17-inch wheels to 19-inch wheels. And this is the emblem you just saw, and this goes right on top basically. Just you want to just peel the 3M tape and you'll get the sticky side right here, and you don't want to take off the protection tape yet. Basically just center it. It goes right on top of the wool cap. Make sure it's centered, and you don't want to go around the edges. Apply the force bit here. Just press down the wool caps around the edges, and also press in the middle part. Make sure not to press it too hard because it will get bent. Once it's done, simply just peel the protection tape, and there you have it.